Good morning, my dear students. So, in our today lecture, we will start from question number 4th of your exercise 4.3. So, in this question, the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So, find his present age. So, the first word is the sum. Sum means you have to add. Which one? The age of Rahman 3 years ago. Ago means back, 3 years back. And 5 years from now. From now means after 5 years. मतलब रहमान की एज जो 3 years पहले थी और जो 5 years बाद में आएगी उसका सम, उसका रेसिप्रोकल का सम, रेसिप्रोकल यहाँ पे वर्ड लिखा है द सम ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल, मतलब उसका रेसिप्रोकल का सम is how much? 1 by 3. Clear? Suppose that for example the present age of Rahman is today 20 years. Rahman की जो आज present age है 20 years है. So before 3 years or you can say 3 years ago Rahman age कितनी होगी? 17 years, क्योंकि 20 minus 3 is 17 years. और 5 years बाद में कितनी होगी? 25 years. It means जो उसकी एज 3 साल पहले थी उसका रेसिप्रोकल is 1 by 17 and the age after 5 years is 25 and its reciprocal is how much? 1 by 25. It means the sum of 1 by 17 and 1 by 25 is how much? This 1 by 3. Clear? So we will find his present age. So in this question first we will take the present age of Rahman be x years. Alright. So right here let be present age of Rahman be x years. The present age is x years. So first you will take 3 years ago. 3 years ago. What is the age of Rahman? Right, the Rahman age. Rahman age 3 years ago is how much? X minus 3. Today his present age is x. अगर उसकी आज present age x है तो 3 years ago कितनी होगी? x minus 3. ठीक है, आप उसमें माइनस करोगे. And Rahman age after 3 years. You can see here 5 years from now. From now मतलब 5 साल बाद. So right here Rahman age after 5 years. So after 5 years is x plus 5. Present age is x, then after 5 years is x plus 5. So now according to the given condition, they will ask a sum. So put here plus sign. The sum of the reciprocal. Reciprocal मतलब जो उसकी एज 3 साल पहले थी उसका रेसिप्रोकल और जो उसकी एज 5 years बाद में है उसका रेसिप्रोकल. So a reciprocal of x minus 3 is 1 upon x minus 3. Alright, and the reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1 upon x plus 5, and the reciprocal of their sum is how much? 1 over 3. It is already given. So what you have to find? You have to find his present age. Present means you will find the value of x because x is the present age of Rahman. Alright. So first see here the both term and the fraction, and the denominator of both fractions is different. So you will take this LCM. In LCM both of this denominator should multiply here. X minus 3 into x plus 5. Now multiply this denominator with the numerator of first fraction and multiply this denominator with the numerator of second fraction. Alright. So x plus 5 into 1. How much? X plus 5. Which sign here? Plus. And x minus 3 into 1 is again x minus 3 is equal to how much? 1 over 3. Now see here x plus x plus x is 2x. 2x. Now solve this constant. Plus 5 minus 3. So plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. Divided by. Now multiply these factors. So it is x square minus 3 into x minus 3x plus 5 into x plus 5x. So plus 5x minus 3x. It is plus 2x. So right here plus 2x. Now this minus plus minus and 3 5s are 15. 15. So right here minus 15 is equal to 1 over 3. Now cross multiply here. So 3 multiplied with this 2x plus 2, and this x cube plus 2x minus 15 is multiplied with only 1. So see here, 3 into 2x, 6x plus 3 into 2, 6 is equal to, and when you multiply this x cube plus 2x minus 15 into 1, it should remain same. So write here x cube plus 2x minus 15, or you can write here x cube, take the 6s and 6 on right hand side. So its sign become change. So plus 2x minus 6x. Plus 2x minus 6x is minus 2x. And this minus 15 minus 6. Minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. Is equal to how much? 0. Now this is our required quadratic equation. So you can find their roots of this quadratic equation by any of the three methods. The first method is factorization, second is completeness weight, and third one is quadratic formula. So we will solve it by factorization method. Alright, now value of a is here 1, b is minus 4, and c is minus 21. So the factors of 21 are 3 and 7. 3 7s are 21, and 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. So if you do 7 plus 7 minus 3, it is plus 4. If you will do minus 7 plus 3, it is minus 4. So you can see here sign is here minus 4. So we will write minus 7x plus 3x. So write here x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now I will take the common from the first two terms and the last two terms. So from first two, which is common, x is common. And from the last two, 3 is common. 3 in this are 21, 7. Now see here x minus 7, x minus 7. It is again common. And from here, what should we have? X. And from this plus 3 is equal to 0. So these are the two factors, x minus 7 and x plus 3. So when you compare this both factor with 0, from first factor value of x is 7, and from second factor value of x is minus 3. So these are the two values, 7 and minus 3. So now we can find the present age of Rahman. So age is always positive, so we will take only this 7, not minus 3. Alright, क्योंकि एज कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होगी, so आप सिर्फ एज कितनी लोगे इसकी x को 7 years. It means present age of Rahman is how much? 7 years. Clear, students? So this is your question number 4. Now next see the question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali marks in mathematics and English is 30. The sum of, मतलब शिफाली के जितने मार्क्स मैथ्स में और इंग्लिश में आए हैं उसका सम कितना है? 30. Suppose that if she got 21 marks in mathematics, then in English they score how many marks? 30 minus 21, that is 9. So first we will take, let us take she means Shefali got x marks in mathematics. Alright, right, let us take she got x marks in mathematics. Then in English Shefali scored how many marks? If the total sum of the marks in math and English is 30, then in English they will score total 30 minus x. 30 minus x. 30 minus x marks. Clear? Now next condition is, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, then the product of their marks would have been 210. इन्होंने क्या कहा है? अगर उसके मैथ्स में 2 मार्क्स मोर मीन्स ज़्यादा आ गए, ठीक है, अगर 2 मार्क्स उसके मैथ्स में ज़्यादा आ गए एंड 3 मार्क्स लेस इन इंग्लिश और 3 मार्क्स इंग्लिश में कम आए, तो उसके बाद जो उसके नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट आएगा, उसके मार्क्स का प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज 210. So what you have to find her marks in this both subjects. All right. So according to condition, if she got 2 marks more in mathematics at starting, we will suppose that she got how many marks in mathematics? X marks. And if she got 2 more marks in mathematics, it means now they have X plus 2 marks. Alright. Now in English, they will score 3 marks less in English. 3 marks less. मतलब उसके 3 marks English में क्या आए? कम आए. At starting they will score 30 minus X. Now 30 minus X minus 3. अब आप क्या करोगे? जो उसके मार्क्स स्टार्टिंग में इंग्लिश में 30 minus X, उसमें से 3 और minus करो. And the product of their marks now is how much? 210. So this is the required equation. So now solve this. X plus 2, 30 minus 3 is 27 minus X is equal to 210. X into 27 is 27x minus X into X, X square plus 27 into 54 plus minus 2 into X, 2x is equal to 210. Now 27x minus 2x, it is 25x minus X square plus 54 is equal to 210. Also write X square minus 25x plus 10 minus 4 is 6, 10 minus 5 5, 1 is equal to 0. You will take all these three terms on the other side. So this minus x square is plus x square plus 25x का क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 25x और plus 54 इस 210 में से minus होगा. So it is how much? 156. So the required equation is x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now find their roots. 13 12s are how much? 156 and 13 plus 12 is 25. So write here x square minus 13x minus 12x minus 100 plus 156 equal to 0. Now take common. X is common. X minus 13 from this to 1, minus is common and 12 is also common. X minus 13 is equal to 0. X minus 13, X minus 13 is again common, and from here X minus 12 is equal to 0. Now from first factor, what is the value of X? X is 13, and from second one, X is 12. So we also see here both of this value 13 and 12 are positive. So which is possible? The both of these values are possible. यहाँ पर दोनों ही वैल्यू पॉसिबल है क्योंकि दोनों वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है. ठीक है. So we will take one by one. If you will take 13 as x, 13 as x. X is what? X is marks obtained in mathematics. So right here, if we got 13 marks in maths, if she got 13 marks in maths, then English Shefali score how many marks? 30 minus 30, it is 17. And in English they will score 17 marks. If you will take x here 12, अगर आप यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू को 12 लोगे तो यहाँ पर 12 मार्क्स है इंग्लिश में. So right here if we got 12 marks in maths, then English they will score 30 minus 12, it is 18. Then in English she got how many marks? 18 marks. So there are two possibilities. If she scored 13 in maths, then English में उसके कितने marks आएंगे? 17. If she scored 12 marks in maths, then in English they will score 18 marks. So there are two possibilities. Clear, students? So this is your question number 5. So this is next question number 6. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So first we will draw a rectangular field. So this is a rectangular field, name it A, B, C, D. So in this question, the diagonal of a rectangular field. So you can take any diagonal AC or you can take BD, because diagonals, the length of diagonals of this rectangle should be same. So we will take this diagonal AC. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more. More मतलब ज़्यादा. किससे ज़्यादा है? Than the shorter side. So now from length and breadth, which is shorter side? The shorter side is the breadth. We know that the breadth is always shorter than the length. So this is breadth, this is length. So in this question they ask, the length of this diagonal is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Suppose that if the length of this breadth is 100 meter, then what is its diagonal? Diagonal is 160. Alright. So you will take here x. The breadth of this rectangular field is taken as x meters. Right here, let the breadth of rectangular field be x meters. Therefore, diagonal is how much? 60 plus x. Or you can write x plus 60 meters. Clear students? X plus 60. Next condition is, if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side. Longer side. Longer means the length. This length is how many more? 30 meter more. मतलब 30 मीटर ज़्यादा है. किससे? Again, than the shorter side. Shorter side से जो length है वो 30 मीटर more है, ज़्यादा. It means the length is x plus 30. So right here, length is x plus how much? 30 meter. X plus 30 meter. So what you have to find here? Find the sides of the field. You have to find the sides. Sides means length and breadth. So what you can observe here? This is x plus 30, this is x plus 60. What is the vertex angle of this rectangle? The vertex angle of rectangle is always 90 degree. Clear? All this vertex of this rectangle is at 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, then what? This ABC is a what? Right angle triangle. And in a right angle triangle, we always apply here Pythagoras theorem. Clear? So this is 90. This is taken as base. This is taken as height. And this is what? This is the side opposite to this right angle, which is taken as hypotenuse. Alright. So right here, in triangle ABC, we can write in right triangle ABC, which is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is side AC. So right here, AC square is equal to this base square plus perpendicular square. Base is AB and perpendicular is BC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what is the length of AC? AC is x plus 60. What is AB? AB is x plus 30. And BC is what? BC is x, which is the shorter side. So now first open this square. X plus 60 square. It is x square plus b square. B is 60. 60 square is 3600 plus 2ab. 2ab is 120x. Again on the right hand side, x square plus 30 square. 30 square is 30 into 30 is 900. Plus 2ab. 2 into 30 is 60. 60 into x, 60x. Plus x square. Alright. Now you cancel this x square, x square. What should left here? Take this 3600 and 120x on the right hand side. So it is x square plus 60x minus 120x. It is minus 60x. 900 minus 3600, it is minus 2700 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. X square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. So we can solve it by factorization method. Now the factors of 2700 is 90 and 30. 90 into 30 is how much? 90 into 30 is 2700, and 90 minus 30 is how much? 60. Clear? So write here x square minus 90x plus 30x. Minus 90x plus 36 is minus 60x. Alright? Minus 2700 is equal to 0. Now we will take common. Common from the first two term is x. X minus 90, and common from second two term is 30. So this x minus 90 is again taken as common, and from here x plus 30 is equal to 0. So from first factor, when you compare it with 0, value of x is 90, and from second factor, value of x is minus 30. So the one value is 90, the second one is minus 30. So which value is possible here? The value is possible here 90, because we will find the dimension of this rectangular field, and the dimension should always be positive. ठीक है, हम यहाँ पर क्या फाइंड कर रहे हैं? इस रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड्स की डायमेंशन फाइंड कर रहे हैं, और डायमेंशन हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही होगी. So it means x is taken as 90 only. And what is x here? X is what? Breadth of this rectangular field. It means breadth of this rectangular field is how much? 90 meter, and the length of the rectangular field is how much? X plus 30. The value of x is 90, so 90 plus 30 is 120. So right here, breadth is 90 meter, and the length is how much? 120 meter, because 90 plus 30 is 120. Clear, students? So this is your question number 6. Next, this is your question number 7. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The difference of squares of two numbers. So first, let us take the two numbers. Let us take the two numbers x and y. So right here, let us take the smaller number be x and the larger number be y. Clear? So the condition is the difference of square of two numbers. Square of two numbers. So it means y square minus x square is equal to 180. Clear, students? Because I take a larger number as y. So it means the square of larger number minus square of smaller number is equal to 180. ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे? लार्जर नंबर के स्क्वायर में से स्मॉलर नंबर के स्क्वायर को माइनस करेंगे, तो जो डिफरेंस आएगा दैट इज 180. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. The second condition is the square of the smaller number. The square of the smaller number. So smaller number is taken as here variable x. So square of smaller number means x square is equal to what? Is 8 times the larger number. So it is 8 times. Times means multiply. So 8 times the larger number. Larger number is y. So right here 8y. So this is our second equation. Clear, students? The first is y square minus x square is equal to 180. And the second is x square is equal to 8y. So you have to find the two numbers. Two numbers is x and y. So you can see here the value of x square is 8y in the second equation. So you will put this x square 8y in this first equation. ठीक है, अब क्या करोगे? जो यहाँ पर x square की वैल्यू 8y है, इसको फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में पुट करोगे. So you will get right here put equation second 8, equation number 1. So value of x square is here 8y. So write here y square minus how much? 8y, and take this 180 on left hand side. It is minus 180. So this is our required quadratic equation. Now find the factors of 180. So we know that 18 tens are how much? 18 tens are 180. 180, and 18 minus 10 is 8. So write here y square minus 18y plus 10y minus 180 is equal to 0. Now take common. So from first two terms which is common, y is common. Y minus 80, and from the next two terms 10 is common. Y minus 80. Now see here, y minus 18, y minus 18 is again taken as common. So what should let's say here? Y plus 10. Y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now compare these factors with 0. So from first factor, value of y is 18, and from second one, value of y is minus 10. So in this question, which is possible value here, 18 or minus 10? So we'll check here. If you will take y as 18, so y as 18, so what is x? If y is 18, then write here x squared is equal to 8y. Y is 18. So 18 into 8 is how much? 8 is 64, 142, and the value of this is plus minus 12. Plus minus 12. If you will take y as minus 10, so x is equal to how much? 8 into minus 10, minus 18. So this is not possible. Why? Because it is not real. This is not real roots. It is imaginary roots. So you can see here the first value is 18 and 12, and the second is 18 and minus 12. Clear? So the larger number is 18, the smaller one is 12. If the larger number is 18, then the smaller one is minus 12. So both of these values are possible here. Clear, students? So this is your question number 7. Now try to solve the remaining questions of this exercise number 4.3, that is question number 8, 9, 10 and 11. Clear, students? Thank you.